How long will my divorce take, and how much will it cost?
So a divorce in Texas has a minimum mandatory waiting period of 60 days from the date the petition is filed before the final decree of divorce can be rendered by the judge. Now, in plain terms, what that means is from the day we file that petition, which is your declaration to the world that you want to get divorced, you have to count 60 days on the calendar, and on day 61, that is the absolute soonest that your divorce can be finalized. That does not mean that your divorce is going to be finalized in 60 days. What that means is that if everything is agreed and you have an uncontested divorce and everything is signed, you gotta wait until you hit day 61 before you can finalize that divorce. If the case is contested and it lasts longer than 60 days, it can last as long as it needs to until all issues are resolved and all hearings have been held, and then the judge will render the divorce. But it can take no less than 60 days. Regarding how much it's gonna cost, I have no idea. And I'll tell you why I have no idea. At WSM, we charge an initial retainer to start a divorce case. Or if you're the respondent, to start filing our counter petition and our answer for your case. You must pay an initial retainer. That retainer depends on the complexity of your case, what county you're in, and other factors involving your case that I don't know yet. So I can't give you an estimate of what your retainer will be. What I can tell you is that the reason why I have no idea how much your divorce is going to cost is because I don't know who your husband's going to hire as a lawyer. I don't know if they're going to be agreeable. I don't know if they're going to make this difficult. I don't know how many hearings we're going to have or mediations we're going to have to go to. There's no way for me to estimate how long your case is going to take or how much work ultimately is going to have to go into your case. But what I can tell you is that we send you your invoice every month, and if we have excellent communication with our billing department, and we will work with you as much as we need to make sure that you are provided the most excellent services that you deserve in the most cost-effective manner possible.